Ebalwa loda iwadi kata Apolon itela. Nede jara DC nyezda itoron tira Apolon Etem. Lorenge dwa tikangada nikena ada PA. Anoi midi char ikapunu loda ijukunta pugana no itopole Etem. Milton Odongo lode rai RDC o district alone Nabilatuk. Nyezda balebe eja nyese igwapa kina kirono.
I met the community and I also met the parish chiefs from the 3 parishes within Orange sub-county. They wrote a letter petitioning my office that their sub-county chief and the sub-accountant who are supposed to remit 10% money from DDEG to the parishes have not remitted the money for the last 2 quarters. Each quarter, the money that came amounted to 27.5 million. That means for 2 quarters, that's about 58 billion. Money, once it has come, is according to the indicating planning figure, supposed to be remitted to the 10% to the parishes and another 10% to the sub-county.
Ido dongo nyesida bale bem to manapakyo na jari nyesa imani mana i project na ngunu luda pugan ebuda nyesa domo itunge mwenyetebe potu luiyare opele ata imidi charito na pia inuda beito raite monokina irotin Otem Lorenge Duat.
The community also raised complaint to me that the sub-accountant and the sub-county chief have deliberately refused to declare in the public the money sent from central government for community access road, and there is no any community access road that have been worked on for the last 2 financial years. This is very serious. It undermines the implementation of government projects and programs in the sub-county and in the parishes.
Ida no itije chamusanam kai midi chao na ada PI RDC nyezda buichora kai polisin aikamuna tipetenoi Apolon Etem nepeka ke accountant anoda ingaraki na ingich akire musago kalo.
I have accordingly directed the police to effect investigation, retrieve all the necessary documents, and bring the suspect to book. As the chief monitor of government programs and projects, we shall leave no stone unturned. The perpetrators, the saboteurs, the corrupt in the sub-county will be prosecuted in order to send a message to others so that they stop stealing government funds sent for community development in the villages.
Ido Ben Paul Sagala Apolon Etem Lorenge Duat loda itoroni tanuda itoltola PI nyesida buo pegano ida buisinyiko ekinte ngunu luda itosato nyesi alosta kwenye kedao san.
I let them proceed, then we have the internal control, we have auditor and the cow. I have no authority to communicate out apart from the cow and auditor. Let them proceed, it's okay.
Kwenye do Gideon Bia Muhangi lode raye DPC nyesida balebe adautkesa adumu nebalualo lode kotore kesa kamuna dokwa na Apolon Etem kwenye kotosbere kesi da itolota ingechike.
I received the letter, but we are investigating. We are still investigating. We have not reached that level of arrest.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Nabilatuk.